Hi friends, welcome to Navani Spice Magic. Today I am going to prepare a very old, traditional and authentic Telangana dish, Challa Uppudu Pindi with Ulli Karam. It is a very tasty variety of upma made with rice, rawa and buttermilk. This is a very old dish which I learned from my grandmother. Let's check the process. So first let's prepare the ulli karam. For that we need onions finely chopped. I have taken a big onion. Sesame seeds around 2 teaspoons. Coriander seeds around half a teaspoon. Salt to taste. Cumin seeds around half a teaspoon. Green chilies according to your taste. Turmeric powder. Heat a kadai. Taking little oil around half a teaspoon. Now I'll add cumin seeds, coriander seeds, green chilies, saute them a little bit. Now let's add sesame seeds, and this also we need to saute till it changes its color a little bit. Now this is done. Let's remove it into a plate. Now let's add little oil again. Now we'll add onions. These need not fry till golden brown. They just have to lose the rawness and become little translucent. That's it. Now we'll add little turmeric powder. Salt to taste. Mix it. Allow it to fry. Now this is done. We will transfer this into another plate. Actually, we can do the process in a mixie. We can grind it coarsely in the mixie, but then the taste enhances when you do it in a mortar and pestle. So today I am going to do it in this itself. So we'll start mashing it. Now this is done. We will add onions. So we should even mash this. Already a very nice aroma I am getting from this. It's really so tempting. I just feel like to eat right away. I usually do all my instant chutneys in mortar and pestle. They taste more nice, and the texture also, it's really nice when you do it in this. You don't get the taste or texture in mixie. So I have got a smaller one, but still I love to do in this only. Now this is almost done. So it has to be coarsely grounded, not completely mashed up. Then only the taste will be very much enhanced. Now we'll remove this and transfer this into a bowl. We shall enhance the taste even more by adding a tempering with ghee. So I have taken little ghee. Now let's add little mustard seeds, cumin seeds, 1 red chili, few very finely chopped garlic. This garlic, when you chop and fry it in ghee and then add it, it really tastes so great. Now this is fried. Now we'll add a little bit of curry leaves, saute. Let's add this to the chutney. The ingredients required for challa uppudu pindi are rice rava. You can get it in the store. In case you don't find it in the store, what you can do is you can just wash the rice, drain out the water, dry it under fan, and then grind it into a coarse powder. Shallots, I have taken shallots. If you don't get shallots, you can use normal onions, but dice them into bigger pieces. Mustard seeds and cumin seeds, green chili slit, salt to taste, 1 red chili, chana dal, curry leaves, and buttermilk. So I have taken 1 glass of rice rava, so I have taken 2.5 glasses of buttermilk. If you want it to be more soft, you can add 3 glasses. I am taking 2.5 glasses. Let's heat a thick bottom vessel. Add little oil into it. This requires little extra oil than normal because it will sometimes stick to the bottom if you use less oil. So once the oil is heated, we'll add chana dal, mustard seeds and cumin seeds, and allow the chana dal to fry a little bit. Now we'll add red chili, add green chilies, fry these green chilies a little bit. Now we'll add curry leaves. Now we'll add shallots. We'll allow the shallots to fry. So we'll cover the lid and allow them to cook for some time. So let's check. The onions are fried. Now we will add buttermilk and we will allow it to boil. Now this started to boil. We'll add salt to this. Now we'll start adding slowly rice rava into this and mix it properly. Now we'll allow it to cook. So now this is done. We will turn off the stove, cover it and keep it aside for just 5 minutes so that it gets settled properly. Our tasty and delicious challa uppudu pindi with ulli karam is ready. It is so delicious and has a unique taste due to buttermilk. I hope you like my video, and if you do so, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.